Hey, let's welcome back to my channel. It's Alexa Curry. If you didn't know, now you know. So in today's video, we are doing a full beauty maintenance routine. Y'all, I feel like this is much needed for me. When I tell you my hair is dirty, my skin feels dirty, everything is just, I need a refresh on everything. So I will be doing that with y'all today, and this is what I like to do every maintenance reset. I just kind of like to get myself together, my hair, my lashes, my nails, and everything like that. But in today's video, I'm just going to be doing a few things, showing you a few beauty maintenance things that I like to do at home rather than going out and getting it done. So that is what this video is about. I hope you guys like this video, and I also hope that you learn something new that you can do at home to add on to your beauty maintenance routine. I feel like every woman should have a beauty maintenance routine, just even if it's like monthly or whatever, weekly, whatever, however you want to do it. I don't do mine every week. I do it every time that I feel like I just need a reset. I've been working hard, it's been too hot outside, whatever the case may be. I need a reset. That's all that I know right now. I need a reset. So that's what we're about to do, y'all. I'm excited because I love getting myself together. I love looking put together. So this is just something that really helps me feel good along with looking good. And all the products that I use that you'll see in this video, they smell good, y'all. And I am trying something new today in my beauty maintenance routine that I'm going to share with y'all later on in this video. So make sure you keep on watching to the end to see what's new, what I've added to my beauty maintenance routine. Also, I'm going to show you the products and everything so y'all can know where I got it from and y'all can go get it too. I'm not going to hold y'all too long. Let's get into this beauty maintenance video. I'm excited. I feel good. I'm going to start off by using a mask. This is a mask from Target. It's by the Cubella brand, and it's a charcoal detoxifying mask. I'm going to put this on my face because I feel like my pores, y'all, it's super hot outside for one. My pores feel super clogged up, and it just needs a detox and it needs a reset. So that's what we're going to be doing. And I love peel off masks, so I like the mask that you just sit on your face and then just do that. But I like using more masks that is peel off. You apply it and let it like get black or whatever and let it dry, and then you peel it off. So this is with deep conditioning charcoal powder and vitamin E, and it's by the Cubella brand. So it's suitable for all skin types. If you're dry skin, oily skin, or whatever, this is a very good mask to use. It's also 100% vegan, and you can find this at Target. So I'm going to show y'all again so that y'all can get these masks. And y'all, I'm just gonna go in and apply this. I usually apply it with a makeup brush, but I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it with my hands, y'all, because I'm just ready to put this on my face. So let's go ahead and do that.
Yeah, I know why I gave you all you need. I know what you like. falling. Tell me that the yes. I try to keep you, and I need some lessons. I need to get better. I tried to live, but I can't. I don't know why I got the one. Drop me out of my mind. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Then I made a mess of my mind. And I made it big and free. Say your body talk too nice. Saying I'm a love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, I love no be like. Say you really say that day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go by. Yeah, you can leave I go love me your body. Love me your body, baby. Yeah, so why me your body, baby. So great. Love me your body, baby. Tell me what you need. I just wanna let you know. Oh, but there don't need no other body. Don't need no other body.
Whenever I'm down, I call on you, my friend. Helping hand in hand in my time of need. So I'm calling you now, just to make it through. What else can I do? Don't you hear my plea? Friends may come and friends may go, but you should know that I've got your back. It's automatic, so never hesitate to call. 'Cause I'm your sister, and always for you. And don't know what I ever do without you from the beginning to the end. I've always been here right beside you, so I'll call you my best friend through the good times and the bad ones. Whether I lose or if I win, I know one thing that never changes, and that's you as my best friend. Whenever I'm done, all that's going on is really going on. Just one of those days when you say the right things, keep me moving on, keep me going strong. What else can I say? More than you make it there. I've been told that, and I believe that it's automatic. I'm your sister, and always for you, and I don't know what I ever do without you.
So we're at the end of the video. I saved the best for last, the most harmful for last, and that's a wax, y'all. So I usually do not wax my underarms, but I did decide to wax my underarms today for whatever reason. I don't know. But I'm going to start off by putting cornstarch under my arms. We're using cornstarch, not baby powder. So I'm just going to go ahead and pat this. That might be too much, but yeah, let's just go ahead and probably should never put on my black. Okay, we're doing trial and error. I'm doing it my first time with y'all, so we'll see how this works out. I showed y'all the brand that I have, so hopefully these strips are great and hopefully, you know, we get it done. So I have my wax here. I did use the lavender. It feels like it's ready, so let me just make sure it ain't too hot. Oh, y'all, I don't know, I'm scared. So I have my wax right here. So just go ahead and apply the wax. This is gonna hurt. This is gonna hurt. I can tell. Yeah. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. How do people do this? It's not coming off. Oh, it's not that bad. Okay, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Oh, woo, woo, look at that. Oh, ah. Okay, I got majority of it, y'all, but I'm gonna have to do more, get the rest. All right, y'all, so this is the last arm. This is so smooth, it went perfect. Let's do this again. It's not that bad, but y'all, waxing yourself takes a whole another type of strength. And if you do this, girl, you're strong. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Ooh. One, two, three. Woo! Okay, that one bad. Okay, I honestly would like to have wider popsicle sticks. I feel like that'll be better. Ah. Whew. One, two, three. Okay, this would be the last strip. Ooh. Oh, the tickle. All right, loves, that concludes this video. I feel really good. I feel nice and fresh. I feel like I have done a full maintenance reset. Okay, other than my arm other than my armpits stinging from like waxing it and that wax, that hot wax, everything else is fine. It'll cool down. It looks good. I feel great. Y'all, hope y'all learned something new from this video. If you have any questions on anything that I use or any other questions, just comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see next from me, and I will see y'all in my next video. Love you. Thank you for watching so much. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also like this video if you want to see more. I'll see you in my next video.